Hi there, this is Khatera, and today we'll be going through analyzing accounts receivables and make sure you know how to analyze your accounts receivable the right way. So what is accounts receivables? Account receivable is an amount owed by a customer who has purchased the company's product or service. Since a receivable is an uncollected sale, the main concern for a company would be how well it collects its receivable. Let's start with this example where the angry manager of a company does not know how well his employees manage his accounts receivable. He's frustrated, annoyed, and stressed, and ready to scream at you. So what do you present to him? So, to save yourself and your job, you present the 5 ways in analyzing accounts receivable. This includes horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, receivables turnover ratio, days in receivables ratio, and your allowance ratio. Number 1. Horizontal analysis is a technique that shows changes in amounts of corresponding financial statement items over a period of time. It is calculated by 2 simple steps. Step 1. Find the dollar change in account balance, which is your current year balance minus prior year balance. Step 2. Find the percentage change in account balance, which is your dollar change divided by prior year balance. Now, you wonder how to present each line item on a financial statement listed as a percentage of another item. Then what comes to your mind is none other than the vertical analysis. Vertical analysis is used to display the relative sizes of the different accounts on a financial statement. This time it's not 2 steps like the horizontal analysis, but 2 methods for 2 different statements. For the balance sheet, it's account balance divided by total assets, and for the income statement, it's your account balance over net sales or revenue. Next, you want to calculate how efficiently your firm uses its assets. So you use the receivables turnover ratio, measuring how many times during a period a company generates and collects receivables. You simply divide the credit sales made during the period by the average receivables. Just note, companies want this ratio to be as high as possible, as a higher ratio indicates that a company's collection of accounts receivable is more efficient. Days are flying and the temperature levels of your manager is increasing. He wants to know how many days does it take for his company in selling an item and collecting the receivable. So what do you do? To save yourself and your job, you present to him the days in receivable ratio. This ratio expresses how long it takes for a company to generate and collect its receivables in days. It divides 365 by the receivables turnover ratio. So far, we have completed the horizontal and vertical analysis, receivables turnover ratio, days in receivables ratio, and now what's left is the allowance ratio. The allowance ratio compares the allowance account to gross accounts receivables to determine the percentage of receivables that are expected to be uncollectible in the future. You simply divide the average for doubtful debts by the gross receivables. Just note, companies want this ratio to be as low as possible, as a higher ratio indicates that a company expects more receivables to be uncollectible. Now, your manager still calls you in the room urgently, but this time he promotes you to a new position as the Chief Analysis and Accounts Receivable. Good luck on your new job! If you liked today's video, thanks for watching.